Hello, this is Kip from Malek. Today I'm going to talk about workers' comp and appointments. So this is a suggestion I have, and this is for folks who have a workers' comp attorney. One of the things that we get clients of other attorneys that call us and they're disgruntled at their current attorney and they want to leave. And a lot of times when we dig, it's like the issue is a communication issue, and the issue is the attorney's not communicating to them, whatever. What I want you to do, what I suggest you do, is if you find yourself in that situation, schedule an appointment. And because if you schedule an appointment, maybe an in-person appointment, not just a phone appointment, but if you schedule an appointment and you let the attorney know, hey, this is a specific legal question I have, or hey, I don't know what's going on with my claim. Can you give me an overview of what's going on with my claim? Can you give me kind of a game plan, what things are going to happen in the coming weeks and months? What the attorney can then do, if they have a precise scheduled appointment, is they could devote that half an hour or hour exclusively to you. You know, it's 100% yours. It's like that Gosling and the Driver movie. You know, when he's driving these people from this crime that he's committed, he says, you know, anything between this time, it's your time. I'll do anything, you know, during that time. So similarly, when you schedule an appointment, that is your time. That is, you are the star of the show. It's fully devoted to you. And the other valuable thing is your workers' comp attorney. If you schedule an appointment in advance, they could review your claim. They could look at the details. They could look at the legal issue that you have a question about. They could look at what kind of overview that they can give you, and they could give that to you in advance. They could look at that information in advance, and so when you come in, it's a productive meeting. They're answering your question fully in a fully detailed way. I don't know what's going on behind me, but there's some kind of motorcycle or something with a radio or stereo system. Awesome. Anyways, so that's my suggestion: is schedule an appointment. And the problem is, some people are like, I called my attorney and he wasn't able to answer. Well, sometimes when you call your attorney or you pop in out of the blue to your attorney's office, your attorney will always want to help you and will always, you know, want to address your issues. But sometimes when you pop into your attorney without an appointment, you know, your attorney may be in a deposition, they may be in a hearing, they may be in a trial, they may be preparing for a deposition, trial, or for a hearing. They may be actually talking with another client. They may not know what the issue is, and let's assume they even have time to deal with you because they're not dealing with those things. Um, they might not know what issue you have, or what the issue that you have may require them to do a little bit of research and digging through your claim to give you a coherent, comprehensive answer. So by scheduling an appointment, you avoid that. So I would strongly recommend, instead of getting mad at your attorney or go and talk to another law firm and saying, I don't like my attorney, because that, again, every week we get clients of other attorneys that say, I don't like my attorney, and when we dig down to it, like 9 times out of 10, it's a communication issue. So avoid that. Schedule an appointment. Your attorney should 1,000% be able to give you the time of day for that appointment. So this is Kip from Malek. At the end of all these videos, as I always recommend, get a workers' comp attorney involved if you have a work injury. Workers' comp is so ridiculously complicated in Ohio, unnecessarily so, if in my opinion, that you 1,000% need an attorney. It's going to pay dividends to get an attorney involved, and I would recommend you do so. So ask your friends, family, neighbors, coworkers, research on Google, talk to one attorney, talk to 10, find the one that you like, go with them, and then you'll have a more successful outcome, I believe. Anyways, if you have questions, concerns, etc., leave them in the comments. You could also call me. You could email. To the extent I can answer your issue, I will. Otherwise, I want you to be safe, and I do appreciate you watching this video. Thank you. Kip Malek.